Welcome to the Techno Angler. I'm Captain Charlie Bruni. Today I'm going to be cooking a sauce for you called Puntanesca. It's an Italian sauce traditionally served over spaghetti. Today I'm going to be serving it over some seared mahi-mahi steaks. You can serve it over chicken, serve it alone, put it over rice. I think you're going to really like this one. Let's get started. What we're going to do is we're going to start with the sauce and then finish with the fish and then dress the fish. What I'm going to do is throw the one onion right into it. I'm going to add my garlic. I'm going to add my Kalamata olives. I'm going to add the parsley in, some cracked red pepper. We're going to make this one spicy. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of cracked red pepper in here. I'm going to add the basil. And throw that right on top. I'm going to let this just cook down here, just really quick. And what I'm going to do is, while that's going on, I have a mortar and a pestle. And I'm going to take my capers. You can chop these, or I like to crush them. And extract some of the juice. Look at that, that looks nice. We're going to take this, I'm going to let it cook down for maybe just a minute. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some red wine, nice dark sauce. I'm going to add a nice dark wine. This adds to the richness of this sauce. You can add white wine if you'd like. I really like red. I'm going to be drinking red with this dish, even with fish. And it's going to cook off just a bit. I'm going to let it sit here while I reach over and grab my tomatoes. This is about 2.5 cups of diced peeled tomatoes. I'm going to reduce it down, then I'm going to take it off put it on a low burner while I prepare the fish. Now I'm going to take my peppers and salt, white pepper, red pepper, black pepper, and salt. And I'm going to sprinkle that down onto the flour. And at this point, I'm just going to stir this up. So I'm going to do a mixture of some olive oil and some butter. You want to make sure it's all covered. Nicely covered on the edges. This is what's going to make it brown nice with that butter. And then I'm going to dust it off. Too much, it'll just all fall off in the butter. Our fish has been cooking here for about 3 to 4 minutes. I checked it a couple of times, and as you can tell, it's browned up nicely. My sauce sat over there on the heat, and it's bubbling nicely. I had it on a medium heat on that diffuser, and it's progressed along nicely. You can see it's thickened up. It's very rich, very rich. It looks like a kind of sauce, you know, if you use a puree or something, people would look at this and think you cooked it all day long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plate this up. There you have it. Very simple dish, very versatile, easy for large groups, small groups.